Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy calls on Webull. First, ensure your Webull account is approved for options trading, which you can apply for in the app. You'll also need to understand that a call option gives you the right to buy 100 shares of a stock at a set price. Make sure your account has enough funds to cover the premium. Once options trading is enabled, find the stock you're interested in and navigate to its options chain. This chain lists available contracts. Select an expiration date, which is when the option contract expires. Then, choose a strike price, which is the price at which you can buy the underlying stock. For calls, you typically select a strike price above the current stock price if you expect it to rise. After selecting your desired call option, you'll specify the number of contracts you wish to buy. Remember, one contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Next, choose an order type. A limit order allows you to set a maximum price you're willing to pay, offering more control than a market order. Finally, review all the trade details carefully before confirming your order. Once your call option order is placed, it's crucial to monitor the underlying stock's price and the option's value. If the stock price increases, your call option will likely become more valuable. You can then choose to sell the option for a profit before its expiration. Be aware that if the stock price does not rise above your strike price by the expiration date, the option may expire worthless, resulting in a loss of your premium.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.